Hey guys, what's up? JANU RASBI here. So in this video, I will show you how to warm up in no time. So first thing first, you should master the side swing. You can add jump to the side swing. Then, please learn and master side swing and jump. With side swing and jump, you can add double unders or even triple unders. So please make sure learn and master the multiple unders. Now mix it all. So this type of warm-up is useful, especially if you have no time to warm up. For example, if you have match in martial arts, boxing or whatever it is in sport competition, so you can choose this warm-up type. Or you are very busy, so you have very limited time to warm up. You cannot run or treadmill or cross trainer, so you can do this type of warm-up. Okay guys, I hope this video helpful. See you on the next video.